Physics for Technology. We are Group 1 student. Definition of electric field. The electric field with vector on top is a vector quantity that exists at every point in space. The electric field at a location indicates the force that would act on a unit positive test charge if placed at that location. The electric field direction points straight away from a positive point charge, and straight at a negative point charge. Electric fields have various applications. Let us take one example of electric motors used in the mechanical field. An electric motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Most electric motors operate through the interaction between the motor's magnetic field and electric current in a wire winding to generate force in the form of torque applied on the motor's shaft. Electric motors can be powered by direct current, DC, sources, such as from batteries, or rectifiers, or by alternating current, AC, sources, such as a power grid, inverters or electrical generators. We selected induction motor as an application of electric field. That is because we used induction motor in day-to-day life. The motor which works on the principle of electromagnetic induction is known as the induction motor. Electromagnetic induction is the phenomenon in which the electromotive force induces across the electrical conductor when it is placed in a rotating magnetic field. We need to give double excitation to make a DC motor to rotate. In the DC motor, we give one supply to the stator and another to the rotor through brush arrangement. But in induction motor, we give only one supply, so it is interesting to know how an induction motor works. It is simple. From the name itself we can understand that here, the induction process is involved. When we give the supply to the stator winding, a magnetic flux gets produced in the stator due to the flow of current in the coil. The rotor winding is so arranged that each coil becomes short-circuited. The flux from the stator cuts the short-circuited coil in the rotor. As the rotor coils are short-circuited, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the current will start flowing through the coil of the rotor. When the current through the rotor coils flows, another flux gets generated in the rotor. The induction motor is the single excited motor. The supply is applied only to the one part. The term excitation means the process of inducing the magnetic field on the parts of the motor.